Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Tilswall brand, their 4-volt cordless electric screwdriver with 25 pieces of S2 steel bits. There's 4 level torque controls. I'm going to show you how to use that. It goes up to 7.37 foot-pounds torque, 260 RPM. There's a 2200 milliamp hour battery inside it. It has this really cool LED front light which will light up anything you're working on. It has a USB-C, USB-A charging cable, all the bits, and it comes with this nice little magnetizer, demagnetizer, so you can magnetize or demagnetize the bits. Sometimes you want to have a magnetized bit, sometimes you don't. Depends on what the application is. You can see all these different bits in here that you got a large choice, and the driver, they're a 1/4 inch driver. Then these are 1/4 inch long ones right there, a Phillips and a flat blade. Really nice. And then the holder itself has a ratchet on there, and it closes down just like that so that you can store it in a drawer or bring it with you anywhere. I really like that. And this product gets excellent customer ratings. People really love it. And it's 24-hour technical support from the company, and it has a full 1-year warranty. And it has a simple operating instruction manual, but it's very simple to use. We're going to show. That's a pretty decent amount of power, 7.37 foot-pounds for a 4-volt system. So they have it geared properly to really, it could put in about 425 screws, M3 by 20 millimeter, and that's pretty decent when you fully charge it. It will, if it overheats, it will auto shut off. Just wait about 5 minutes. If you're overusing it, it'll come back on. So when you go to remove it, there's a little tab right there. You pull that out because the front drive part goes inside there just like that. Clever design. So let's just take a look at it right here close up. You can see the 1/4 inch torque right there. It's magnetized there. And it has a button there to go forward or clockwise, and that's counterclockwise. And if you look, it has a really nice LED light with a really even light. And there is settings on here. There is a 1, 2, 3, and 4 torque settings. And then there's actually a light setting on there that when you push the buttons, it doesn't do anything. It's just a flashlight. So you got this really nice flashlight if you want to. It automatically will shut off without any use. Then you go to 1, there's a little arrow there, 2, 3, 4. And those torque values will vary so that you can get different torques for what you're doing. 2.6 Newton meters up to 10 Newton meters if you're into the metrics like there. And that's nice to have. So if you're doing a tiny screw that you don't want to strip out, whether it's a Phillips or flat or any of these other bits on here, that allows you to control the torque. So you can start off with the torque at 1, and then you can drive it in successfully, and it'll skip and not drive past that torque setting that I mentioned, that 2.6 nanometers. That is extremely handy to use. Now when you want to magnetize a bit, let's just take a look at this bit right here. The bit just goes right inside there. Hear that little click, and it is actually magnetized now forward and back. And not magnetized, it actually is going forward and back counterclockwise. Let's say you wanted to magnetize that bit. You want to use this included little thing. So you see it says magnetize down here, so you just run it across like that, and now it'll be magnetized. You want to demagnetize it there. So they have a magnet inside it with different pole directions, and really simple to use. And again, you're going to find that extremely handy when you're going to put something in where you want to have that ability to have it magnetized. I really think that's a good feature they threw in with that. Charging is very simple. I have a USB-C 5-volt 2-amp adapter right there, and you see the white LED, how it's blinking. When it stops blinking, it'll go on solid. After about 10 minutes, that light will shut off to conserve energy. And if you're using this and this blinks red, it means that it's less than 10% and you want to then charge the unit up. Here's just a quick example. I have one of these specialized hex bits on there, and I have an LED light. And let's say I wanted to remove these. It fits in here just like that. The light will come on. The light will come on, and then remove the screw quite easily. Just another quick example. I have the one Phillips head bit on there, and driving into wood works really well. Putting screws into wood just like that. So it's got a lot of torque, and it's going to allow you to use this in a lot of different applications. And because there's all these different smaller sizes, you can get into electronics and take things apart quite easily to repair things. Here's just another example. I have one of these mobile phone holders, and if I wanted to tighten screws on here, I could loosen them or tighten them back just like that, which I'm just so impressed with, because it's going to light up everything you're going to need and keep you to see anything you're driving on there. And again, it could be used as a flashlight also. Really cool product. I love this case. I love the ratchet on there. The fact that it could go right into your toolbox, and this magnetizer is excellent also. So I'm impressed with the quality as I demonstrated this. I really like this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.